Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're going to take a quick look here at Bitcoin. It's looking like it's recovering quite nicely here. We'll see, of course, if this will hold, but nice little double bottom type of start here. We could very well see the price action continue to recover, but we're going to look at a few things, obviously, make sure we understand, just best practice, big picture. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, hope you can learn something today. Obviously, if you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a website, link down below. Got a lot of new members coming over to attend my trading academy, but also my signal's been pretty on point lately. It's actually really nice. Again, lately we've been seeing a lot of interesting markets too, like with the the green and the red action. Basically, Bitcoin dominance increasing, all selling off, then the inverse applying as well. But either way, let's go ahead and take a look at this here because we've got a serious concentration at 44,000. So I got news for you folks. That could be the next target here. Again, a lot of it hinges on the price action breaking that descending trend. Okay, that pattern that we saw previously, it could very well be broken, but we want to kind of not jump the gun either. Okay, so we'll look at that here in a minute, but the key takeaway here is that there's a tremendous amount of volume above us versus below us, and that could very well be a liquidation hunt for the whales. Okay, so again, 44,000 is heavy. We also got 41,500 as that secondary amount. We've talked about that previously. So taking a look here, let's go ahead and work our way down from the daily because we did have a daily candlestick closure last night that was somewhat red. Okay, so far today we're looking fairly green. So again, it's not a guarantee the price is just going to recover because of that, but if you can see here on the daily, we have not closed below this level here at about 42,500 yet. And that is that 0.5 fib level, a very, very important level. Okay, so again, all good stuff there in that sense. The daily time frame is looking decent in that regard. If we take a look at stochastic RSI, it's trying to swing up. We're still over 50 on the RSI as well, so we're still confirming, this bullish trend, as well as the fact that money flow index remaining static. Okay, we're pretty much going sideways with that right there, that sweet spot at 60. If we take a look at our moving averages, again, this is one of those things that's important to close above. We've closed below, above, below, and potentially above today at this level here. Once more, the 20-day SMA is averaging itself out right there at about 43,000 as a close approximate. Okay, so as I mentioned previously, a closure above 43,000 would confirm some potential continuation to the upside. I do want to emphasize the word potential because it doesn't mean like we're out of the woods yet. It just implies that there's a stronger potential for the price to increase. Okay, take a look at the 4-hour here. We can kind of recognize a few key factors here. We're tentatively establishing higher lows, but you could argue those are parallel. Once again, we kind of got this double bottom type of pattern that could play out. The key there is to close above 43,500 to effectively get us that next level there to confirm we've broken that and that neckline there. Okay, if we take a look here, of course, at stochastic RSI correction, that's this guy here. We can see that stochastic is kind of swinging down. RSI is stuck at 50, but money flow index is increasing. It's actually a good sign because when more money flows into the coin versus the last 3 or 4 trading days compared to now, that's a really good sign telling us that the price action should be able to continue higher. But we do have a resistance there at 50, which is once again this level here at about 43,000. So to me, again, looking for a closure today above 43,000, I think that would put us in a pretty good position because our MACD is starting to converge here, and that's also very positive. Okay, so again, just be mindful of the shenanigans that can occur near the end of the trading day. Oftentimes, once the candlestick closes, or right close to the end of the candlestick close, for example, on the daily, things can get kind of crazy. Also keep in mind too, today is the last day today is the last Friday of the year. Okay, and for anyone to secure their profits, today would be the day for them to do so. If that makes any sense. So again, just keep that in mind. That's kind of the big picture there. Last thing, of course, would be the Ichimoku cloud. We got to recognize that we're kind of stuck within, but we've been fairly range bound. We're going to get a lot of false positives here. So again, a closure above 43,000 would probably put us in a prime position there for the lagging span to be free and clear of the price action. Conversion line would likely be above the baseline at that point, and we'd be in a good shape there above the cloud. So once more, I think 43,000 is that point of contention. I'm looking for a closure over 43K today. That's really just the big deal for me. Okay, so that's ultimately what we're looking for there. Hope that was clear and concise. I like to keep it quick and easy for you folks, so thanks again for watching. Be sure before you leave, obviously be sure to check this out. Phenomenal exchange. Link down below, of course, for Bitunix. No KYC, no VPN required. They are an exchange that we're exclusively partnering with right now, mainly because of that KYC and VPN lack of requirements. They do have significant bonus rewards before now and the end of the year. If you consider utilizing them, make sure you check this out, of course. Extremely important. But either way, thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.